In the previous video, we discussed searching and reporting in Jira. Let us now take a look at using Portfolio app. In this section, we are going to take a look at an overview of Portfolio. We will take a look at configuring our portfolio plan. We will spend some time understanding how we can create what-if scenarios in Portfolio. We'll take a look at some portfolio reports and program view. Overview of Portfolio. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is Portfolio. We will understand how you can visualize your roadmap, and we'll take a look at some capacity management capabilities of Portfolio, and we will take a look at scenarios. What is Portfolio? Well, Portfolio is an agile road mapping tool for Jira software. You can use it to not only plan your activities across multiple projects, but you can also use it to track the progress. With the help of Portfolio, you will get the visibility across different teams. You can also forecast the release of your milestones, and you can also do a capacity management with Portfolio. And finally, you can also do scenarios with Portfolio. Visualizing your roadmap with the help of Portfolio, you will be able to visually take a look at the timeline in a single place where you will be able to monitor the upcoming releases and what activities are going to be scheduled or need to be delivered in the next few weeks. You can also use this particular roadmap view to track the progress of your work. And with the help of Portfolio, you can also ask some questions. Let us say you are not sure based on your current workload and the amount of work that you need to do, and you need to also understand that right now if you have, let us say, 5 or 10 resources in your team, then when can you release a particular milestone? So Portfolio can actually do the calculation for you, and it will tell you based on the current information in the project, when can you release. Capacity management. With the help of Portfolio, you can easily check who is overworked and who is actually not allocated enough. So you can actually take a look at the individual team member availability. You can also track the holidays. So when you create a portfolio plan, you will be able to also mention that a particular resource is on holiday on a particular date. And when you input this particular information in the portfolio plan, you can also share these reports with your team members. Scenarios. With the help of Portfolio, you can actually create multiple scenarios in a sandbox environment. So a scenario will be able to tell you that, let us say, if you have one more resource in your team, will you be able to deliver your particular release maybe a week before the scheduled date? And let us say if you want to add one more resource in the team, then can you deliver it on time or not? So you can actually create multiple scenarios, and you can actually compare them in a portfolio view. And when you are actually satisfied with your scenario, let us say you add one more resource, or maybe you want to ask Portfolio, can I release this particular milestone on a specific date? And when you are 100% sure that this particular plan will work for you, then you can actually commit those changes from Sandbox to your Jira software. So until you commit those changes, you will be able to compare the scenario and plan your activities.